Rolling Wood Drive in Vallejo is riddled with potholes. It hasn't been repaved in half a century. It's another example of the kind of deterioration California cities have seen after decades of insufficient funding for road repair. It's so old, it just can't have potholes patched. The street is too far gone. Instead, the city, with SB1 funds, will rip out 14 inches of foundation during the month of October. It will lay down a new 14-inch foundation and then add 4 inches of asphalt on top of rolling wood from Baywood Drive to Pope Drive.
It's gonna look totally different. Smooth drive. It's gonna be very nice.
First, the drainage problem is being fixed with SB1 money, and the curbs replaced so they are modern-day safe and ADA compliant. The curbs are being replaced here and at nearly 40 other locations throughout the city. The repairs are all being paid for with SB1 money, the dedicated transportation funding passed by the California legislature that began this year.
And they have seen signs all over the city. We did a Slurry seal project, which has been done already, and that was entirely SB1 money. It was the total was 1.2 million. For this project, we got around roughly 600,000. SB1 is very important to the city of Vallejo.
If voters pass Prop 6 in November, SB1 funding would be repealed. Vallejo would lose that funding for future projects. There are no announced plans to replace that transportation funding.